So hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to teach you how to fix can't matchmaking in Elden Ring Nightreign. So in Elden Ring Nightreign, if you can't matchmake, there's gotta be like a there's like a lot of reasons to encounter this problem. So first things first, you might be on multiplayer and you don't have teammates yet, and so when you try and do an expedition by yourself, matchmaking failed. Or if you're doing a matchmaking and while using, let's say, seamless co-op. So let's say if you have your seamless co-op on right here. So if you have seamless co-op right on here, you might be using it for duos. You need to change this to three if you're playing trios again. So a lot of issues does come if you're using the seamless co-op mod. So that's like one of the reasons to encounter the can't matchmaking thingy on Elden Ring Nightreign. So that is one of the a few solutions to fix it. If you can't, just restart the game itself and try and do it again. So if you can't matchmaking, you might be using a multiplayer password. So let's say Fextra. So Fextra is really good. So these are like very experienced players. So if you have this multiplayer password here, so it may be wrong, and it bugged or something like that, and you can have the can't matchmaking type thingy. And there's also group password, so if you set up that wrong, you might encounter that problem. So yeah guys, that's my video for today. That's how you can fix the can't matchmaking problem in Elden Ring Nightreign. So if you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.